You may have seen tons of videos on how to make money by creating AI-generated influencers, but no one is sharing the actual strategy. Don't worry, in this video, I am going to share the best method with you. So, without further ado, let's dive in. So, what are the best ways to make money? The answer is by selling products. If you don't have any products, you can sell products from various e-commerce websites and earn commission. Now, the question is how we can sell products. The answer is by promoting on social media. You may have noticed that several big social media influencers are endorsing various brands. All of them are paid promotions. This is another way of making money. But how can we promote products? Look at this video. Does this dress look amazing? Or this one?
It's sensational.
In both videos, I seamlessly place the product. Now I can post the video on social media with the product, and if anyone loves the product and buys from my link, I will get the commission. Okay, now let's have a look at how we can create this kind of promotional video with my AI influencer. To create the videos, I will use an AI-powered tool called Sellerpic AI, a specialist tool to create amazing promotional content. You can create any kind of product images and videos using this tool. Okay, this is the Sellerpic homepage. You will find the link in the description. Once you are on this page, click on Start Free Trial, and then create your account. Once you are logged in, your interface will be like this. Here at the top of the page, you will find a prompt box. This is to create product images or designs. After that, you will find several AI fashion model tools to create promotional content. After that, you will find the AI video generator tools to create promotional video content. In the end, you will find some editor tools. Okay, let's create our first video. Imagine I want to place this dress on this model and then make the final video. So, first of all, we have to create the image with the model and the dress. You can do that in two methods, using Google Nano Banana or the virtual try-on apparel feature. For the first time, I will use the Nano Banana model. Okay, first of all, we have to upload the model and the dress image. So, click on the upload button from here. You will find three options. Select from the history, upload from the device, and select a product directly from your Shopify store. This feature is really amazing. You just have to install the plugins, and it will allow you to create product videos with a single click. However, this time, I will upload from my device. Once the images are uploaded, we have to enter the text prompt. I am simply typing, put the red dress on the subject from image 1. You can enhance the prompt using AI by clicking here. Now you can select the image generation model. You will find Flux Context and the GPT image along with the Google Nano Banana. I am going with Nano Banana. Next, set the number of images you want to generate. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button. It will take some time to generate the images. I will fast forward this part. And here it is, the images are ready. And look at the quality of the image. Both of the images are really amazing. Nano Banana perfectly placed the dress on the character. I love it. Now save the best image to your device. So now, in this method, you can create amazing try-on images of any product using Nano Banana inside Sellerpic. Okay, now I will use the virtual try-on feature of Sellerpic to generate the same image. This is the virtual try-on apparel interface. Here, you will find 4 options. Only the top, if you want to try top garment. Only bottom for bottom product. Full body is for both top and bottom garments. In the end, we have a one-piece garment if you have a one-piece garment like me. I am uploading the same image. Once the image is uploaded, we have to select the model. You will find a vast number of premium models inside Sellerpic. You can choose anyone from here. These will be great if you want to create only product images or videos for your website. However, as I want to make a product video for my influencer model, I will upload my own model. Once the model image is uploaded, we have to set some info like gender, age, region, background, distance, apparel type, and apparel style. All of them are optional. You can skip or set the value. Once everything is set, click on the Create button. On the next step, we have to select the area where we want to place the product. Give proper time to draw the area. Once perfectly done, click here. All right, we are ready to go. Simply click on the Generate button from here, and then wait for some time. And here it is. The images are ready. And look at the quality. It's so realistic. It looks like high-quality fashion photography. I love both of them. However, if you are not satisfied with the pose and want to generate images in different poses with the same model and product, then click on the Remix button here. Now click on the pose variation from here. You will find various well-known product photography poses here. You just have to select the poses. Once the poses are selected, hit the Generate button. After waiting for some time, I got this image. You can see that now the AI has perfectly changed the pose while keeping the model and product intact. There is another way to change the pose. You will get the pose changer options here on the right side panel. After coming to this page, select or upload the model image and then select the pose from the pose library. You can also enter text prompts for a custom pose. Once done, hit the Generate button. After waiting for some time, you will get the new pose images. This is amazing. Now imagine I have this bag, and I want to create a model like that. To do that, we have to use the Virtual Try-On Accessories feature. After coming to this page, upload the product image. Once done, you can select a model from here. You will find a vast number of models. If you want to generate an image with your own model, then first create an image with a bag like that. I am uploading this image. Once the image is uploaded, select the info. Once done, select the area. As I selected the object bags from here, the AI automatically detected the product. If you face any issues, you can resolve them. Once done, set the aspect ratio and other settings, and then hit the Generate button. And here it is. The images are ready. And look at the images. The results are really amazing. In this method, you can create product images for any kind of product. Now imagine I want to place this bag on this character. As there is no bag in this image, we can't use the Virtual Try-On Accessories feature. So we have to come back to the home page and use the Nano banana to create the image. I am uploading both the images and then entering the text prompt. I am typing. The character is holding the bag with her right hand. After entering the prompt, set all other settings, and then hit the Generate button. And here it is. The images are ready. Look at the images. It made perfect images with the model and images. So now we can create any kind of product images with our influencer model. But what about the video? Now you can turn any of the images into video clips. There are two methods. You can select any of your images from the My Creations tab. You will find the image to video icon here. Simply click on it. This is the image to video generator interface. Now, you can select a preset from here, or enter a custom prompt. In the Custom tab, you will find all the major AI video generators, including Kling, Hailuo, Seedance, VO3, and more. Select which one you want to use and then enter the text prompt. You can also select the video preset from here. So, enter the prompt or select a style, and then hit the Generate button. After waiting for some time, I got this result. Look at the video quality. This is really amazing. So now you can create this kind of high-quality product video using Sellerpic AI. Now, if you have the product image already and you want to generate the video, then use the second method. Select the image to video generator from the home page. Once you are on this page, click here and then upload the product image. Once the image is uploaded, select the video generation model. I am selecting the VO3 model. After selecting the model, I am entering the prompt. Once done, hit the Generate button. After waiting for some time, I got this video.
It's sensational. Try it now.
This is really amazing. The video looks like a perfect commercial video. I love it. Okay, now imagine I want to create a video like that.
Signature sent. A statement.
Where my model is endorsing the product or reviewing a product like that. To do that, we have to use the lip sync video generator. After coming to this page, upload the model images. Once the image is uploaded, enter the script here in this box. Or upload the voiceover. If you want to use it on your influencer model, I suggest uploading a voiceover clip to keep the voice consistent. After uploading the voiceover or entering the script, you can add video prompts. Once done, hit the Generate button and then wait for some time. And here it is, the video is ready.
Glow up with vitamin C magic. Hydrate, brighten, and shine with Operon Serum, your skin's new obsession.
The quality? This is really amazing. So, in this method, you can create amazing product images and videos using Sellerpic AI and share them on your social media with the product link. It will promote your product and increase sales. If you become popular, many brands will offer you to promote their product and you will get paid. Sellerpic AI can be your money-making assistant. You will get so many other features. So, don't forget to try this tool. The link is in the description. Alright friends, I'll wrap up our video now. Before that, I'd love to hear your opinion about Sellerpic AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.